We're here at Nolcha Shows with Acid NYC designers Evelyn Luna and Scott Chester. Thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us, and congratulations on an incredible show. What was the inspiration behind this collection?
Architecture. So it was, and more than that, architecture in New York. So all the tall buildings, all the glass, the neoclassical landmark buildings as well. We saw the girls with the scrolls and the monk necks. And we took from all the buildings. We took from the structures. We took from the textures. So everything kind of tied together into that whole theme of architecture.
Awesome. Well, I love prints, and you guys are trailblazers in the print world. So how do you think up these new prints and find endless inspiration and the colors for them?
The theme behind our company is the hidden beauty in our surroundings. The beauty is around us. It's just that we're usually too busy hustling to stop and look at it. So at this collection, we decided to show people the facades of the buildings. Basically what we did was we brought the grandeur of architecture to street level, so people can take a look at it eye to eye as opposed to looking up and looking around. It's all around us. It's just that you have to take some time to look at it. And so what we do is we photograph the subject matter, and then we print our own fabric, and that becomes our collection.
So where can people buy these beautiful fashions?
Right now at acidnyc.com, and we were selling at Flying Solo last summer. I think we're going to sell at a store over this summer, but we're really focused on online sales at this point. Yeah.
Well, thank you so much for taking the time to speak with us, and have a great New York Fashion Week.